So today I'm installing this Wiggins Hair wig. It's a loose deep wave wig and I have a 24-inch. As you can see, it comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached. I did not have to bleach my knots. I did not have to pluck this hair. I put it straight on my head. The curl pattern is so pretty, very natural looking. The curls are very defined and they don't look all matted and dry. You know it's about to get hot outside and this wig is perfect for the spring. They did send over some goodies as well along with the hair. They sent over some mink lashes, a little cute little scrunchie, a headband with their logo on it. They sent an edge brush, a HD cap, basically everything that you need to get the job done. I had did my bob cap the night before and it came up a little bit on the sides and I was being lazy and I ain't redo it, so don't mind that. Also, my head is 23-inch circumference, so my head is on the larger size. So I did ask them for a large wig cap, but it was still a little bit tight on my head, so we are gonna have to finesse this wig a little bit. So right now, I'm just fitting the wig on my head, trying to see how I want it to lay. You know, just trying to see how it fit on my head, trying to see where I want to place the lace, how I want, trying to kind of just envision what I'm about to do to it. So I did take some of my Sebastian holding spray in a hot comb and just kind of press it out a little bit again so I can kind of envision where I wanted to go with it, and then I kind of brushed through the curls, just planning it, nothing major. But now I am about to clip the hair out of my way so I can go ahead and glue my wig down. I did not put no makeup on my lace just yet because I kind of saw like a video on TikTok of this girl talking about why you shouldn't put makeup on the lace like underneath because it could prevent the lace from sticking to your head. So we're just going to put the makeup on after and I'm going to kind of see how that go. But right now you just see me applying some glue and I'm only applying in the middle because I like to apply section by section, especially with this wig being tight on my head. I want to make sure that it stays. So we're just applying a layer of glue in the middle and I'm just blow drying it first on hot. Then I'm going to change it to cold so that the glue can become tacky. And then once that dries clear, I'm going to do another layer of glue in the middle. Same process. I'm just going to flatten it out, lay it out until it's like one smooth layer. And I'm going to let it dry clear. And then we're going to glue that middle piece down first. I'm going in with my small little makeup brush and again my Ruby Kisses foundation and just hitting that lace. And then I'm going in my middle part that they already had in there and I'm just going to define it even more by taking this little angle brush and some concealer that's probably like one shade lighter, you know, like scalp color. And I'm just going to go down and define that part and then I'm going to clean it up using my black hairspray. I kind of messed up so I had to go back in and touch it up some more. And yeah, just clean it up again, no biggie. This is just gonna make it look really defined and neat. So just for a couple more minutes, I'm gonna put my headband back on just to kind of get those baby hairs set in place. while I take my hair down and make sure that it looks nice, neat, and defined. Also, I like to go in after I take my headband off, and I like to comb those baby hairs out a little bit just to make them more fluffier. But we're pretty much done now. I'm just adding like some finishing details. When I hot comb with a middle part, I do like to hot comb toward my face. So these two little pieces in the front, I like to give them like a little, you know, a little excitement, a little razzle dazzle, and then I like to kind of hot comb the hair toward my face, if that makes sense, just so I can kind of frame my face a little bit. And that's pretty much all to it. This wig was super simple to install, considering the fact that it was pre-plucked and pre-bleached. All you really have to do is put it on your head and style it up to your liking. Me personally, I can't wait to try different styles with this texture. It's so pretty. So as you can see, this hair is very natural looking, full and thick all the way down to the ends, and it is true to length. The direct link to this hair is attached in the description box, so you can go and purchase yours today. This hair is 10 out of 10. I highly recommend.